Today I'm going to show you how to change your job title on your Glassdoor account. Alright, so we want to change our job title. So you can see over here, it says Social Media Manager. That's my job title. We're going to go click on here, click on this pencil icon by our name. Here we will get to the page where we can view our entire profile. Now, on the left-hand side, you can see all of your details. You're going to come down here. It says job title. Add in your job title here. So you can say Social Media Manager. You can do whatever you want. You can put in there whatever you want. You can even use this to separate different things. So Social Media Manager, let's say you do translation. Let's say you do photography, whatever. So you can do that in different formats. And once you come down over here, click on save. Don't forget to click on save. And then the specialization, make sure that you are just aligning that as well with your new job title. Come down over here, click on save. It'll be updated.